here, authentic water are easy vegetable. Don't worry, today we're making a super easy traditional remedy, ginger, turmeric, and tamarind drink.
Linda, perfect timing! I just got bloated from eating spicy food. But making herbal drinks is complicated, isn't it?
Actually, no, because we only need main ingredient from the kitchen, like ginger, tamarind,
Linda, I usually strain it first, so there's no problem. To make it better, sometimes I add a pinch of salt.
Okay, that's exactly right. I just want to strain it. And voila! Your warm remedy is ready to enjoy. It's only take 10 minutes. Your body feel warm and your stomach feel comfortable. That's right, yeah.
Very delicious and refreshing. Thank you, Linda. I won't be afraid of being bloated anymore.
Okay. And remember, clean and healthy lifestyle is also about maintaining our health from the inside. Don't wait until you're sick. And let's make our own remedy at home. Bye-bye.